how to animate rounded comic panels in Alight Motion. From Shapes, add a rectangle. From Color and Fill, set whatever color you want. Then scale up the rectangle and resize it as you need. Tap on the plus and add a vector drawing layer. Add 2 points to create a line on the rectangle, which we'll use to slice up a panel. Go to Contours and add a contour. They act like layers. Add 2 points or more to create lines where you would like to slice up your panels. You can add as many contours as you want. You can even just have separate vector drawing layers instead. Go to Color and Fill and set the fill to none. Go to Border and Shadow and enable Stroke. Now just select the 2 layers by long pressing on the layer thumbs and pick Exclusion Group. If we were to go inside the group through Edit Group, we can see that our vector drawing layer now has the Exclude Blending mode set. This subtracts the layer content from the background, making that area transparent. Finally, let's round those corners. Go to Effects. From Drawing an Edge category, add the Smooth Edges effect. Make sure to enable Mask to Layer or it becomes this. Also, decrease the strength if it cuts our panel corners like this. Instead, make the corners smooth, then just duplicate the effect to round it more. After we're done rounding the corners, let's get to animating our panels. Go inside the group to Edit Group. Take the vector drawing layer and go to Edit Points. Then switch to Keyframe Edit mode. Now, I can add keyframes and animate our points. You can tap on the preview to select the points of other contours, or go back to the contour edit mode and select them manually from there. Once you're happy with your animation, you can go back to the keyframe edit mode and apply animation easings. Once we get out of the group, we can see that our animation looks scrumptious. Now, how do we actually trap our character inside a panel? I'll bring over Baldy, put him in place, and try the basic Create Clipping Mask, which won't work. Instead, add another vector drawing layer and loosely trace over the panel you want to trap your character in. Animate the points to match your main panel animation. Make sure to match the animation easing as well. I'll release the clipping mask on Baldy. Bring the latest shape over the character. Go to Blending and Opacity for the latest shape and set it to Mask, which will show only what is within its layer area. Select the latest shape and the character and group them. Finally, clip the group to the panel group. This will prevent the character from coming out of the panel. Now, if you want to animate your character, go inside the group that has the character and just animate. Next, if you want to add the panel effect, check out this tutorial.